Madam Glam's elves have been very busy to bring the most delicious colors and products to your fingertips. Welcome to day 12 of the Advent Calendar series. Woo! Okay, already the past 12 days have been filled with all of the holiday magic. And y'all, I am still dreaming of the snowy layover. I can't get over how amazing that collection is. But as I dream about those hollow, reflective, gorgeous polishes, let's get right into this unboxing and see what Madam Glam has in store. For day number 12! Now that we're getting to the meat and potatoes of this Advent calendar, what has been your most favorite day so far? I definitely know when I saw that pudding jar, my wig was snatched. And I am so excited after opening the application brush. I want to know what other tools and goodies are inside. So for day 12, I wanted to not guess, not put Detective Raven goggles on. So I decided to open it really strange, like from the back side, so I wouldn't see anything. Because even when I open it, if I open it like facing me, I can see that really fast if it's a bottle or if it's a foil. So I just, I wanted to amp it up, give a little more mystery, if you will. So we got Nordic Bliss, which was unlike anything that we received last year. I am really in love with this green. I'm so sorry, she is small but mighty. I had to use the extra Hulk strength to get that open. But look at this evergreen, this gorgeous, this is lustrous forest. This makes me feel like all the elf on the shelf, all the holiday magic. So let's get sunshine and swatch this beauty. Now this is their cream formula, but it is on the more thin side. So to get the best coverage, do 2 thin coats. Now this is in real time, not sped up one bit. And as you see, it is hugging the nail to perfection. This green is stunning the house down. Woo! All of the holiday magic. Thank you, Madam Glam. So yes, so your girl's gonna have to do some kind of elf set. And I'm still dreaming after seeing that red from when we did the foil gel testing. And what's on my phalanges on my right hand. I want to do candy cane stripes, so that is definitely coming out. Now, what's on your left hand? This gorgeous winter scene was done partially during a Wednesday live with Mama Does Nails, and then I finished off the set, but it was done all with Madam Glam products. The background is Celeste Blue, and I dipped into all sorts of other goodies. But if I had this gorgeous color, I would have did my pine trees with this. Whew, this is no joke. Nordic Bliss for real. This is one of my favorite colors that I've swatched so far in this series. Oh, I can't thank you enough, my beautiful charm family, for coming in to another daily unboxing. And I really hope to see you tomorrow for lucky number 13. That is my favorite number, my birth date. So it's gonna be amazing. It's gonna be a raven color. I just know it, no matter what it is. So I will see you for tomorrow's video. And I hope this video found you so well. Don't forget, all the sister codes are located in the description box below. And you gotta get this calendar before it sells out, y'all. Oh my goodness, I have no words. Madam Glam has truly made this Christmas so special, alongside you, my beautiful charm squad. I love you, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Mwah! And remember, do all things with love. See you in the next one.